Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a key fob battery for a Nissan vehicle. So if your key fob looks like this, it can have 3 buttons or 4 buttons, but if your key fob looks generally like this, we'll be able to show you today how to change that. So the first thing you want to do is remove the hidden key. So there's a little latch here, you just pull this up and then pull the key out. This key is good for emergencies if you have a dead fob or a dead car. Then the next thing we'll need to do is pop open the fob. So there's a couple different screwdrivers that'll fit. You want a flathead screwdriver. The little small ones tend to work a little bit better. This one's a little bit on the bigger side. You'll need to squeeze it into this spot right here. And this one's just slightly too large, so I'm going to use the small one here. Just take your screwdriver, plug it in right there, and then just twist gently until you hear the click. So that means it's already starting to open. You can see here the crack along here. You want to avoid damaging the finish here, so I just kind of move the screwdriver along, just very gently twist, and it really just sort of opens up, cracks open like an egg. So then you can open it up entirely. And here's what you'll see inside. There's your battery. Optionally, you could check out the battery and see if it's any good. The car is typically going to warn you in advance that the fob battery is low, but you can check it here. So we just put our 2 probes on here. This is at 2.82. So anything below 3, typically it's probably going to be warning you that there's a problem. And yeah, so this is too low. So what we'll do is pop out this battery. It just pops out very easily like that. And this is the battery you're looking for. This one uses a CR2025 battery. And if you ever can't remember which one it should use, it will say right in here as well. I don't know if you can see that, C02025 as well. So that's the battery size it should be. All right, then what you need to do is grab your new battery. Now, you should do that without using your fingers. You should have tweezers. I don't have tweezers. So I'm going to touch it with my fingers, but it is bad to, put your fingers on the battery. Some of the oils off your finger will start to cause some degradation in the battery. So best to use tweezers or something else to install the battery. Don't have that handy here. Anyway, here's the battery. We'll put it in. It seems to slide in nicely this way. You put it in on the end with the metal here, and then tap it down, and then you've got the battery installed. Then we'll need to put this back together. The little circuit board might fall out. Sometimes it's fine, it'll just slip in. And then of course you just match up the 2 halves of the clamshell here together and snap it together. I usually start at this end, at the far end, at the rounded end, and then with my fingers just snap it together. And sometimes it goes together nicely, sometimes it goes together not so nicely. Let's see, let's check the line. Yeah, it's completely closed up. And then we just put the key back in, and you're all set. You have your battery fob key replaced in your car. Typically your car is going to give you a warning in advance when this fob is getting low, so it'll last a little while, a couple of weeks still probably with that warning, but eventually it'll stop working. So you want to get that addressed. And these batteries, the CR2025, you can buy those anywhere, Amazon, eBay, Walmart. They're a very common battery. And and that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Leave a like or a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.